I'm Jeremy Fisher, and this is a tutorial for the song Ziggy Stardust by David Bowie. Please like and subscribe to see more content like this. In this tutorial, we're going to go through all the chord shapes and the strumming pattern to play this whole song. Let's start by breaking down the chords. All right, in that intro, we've got a G, a D sus4, and we go back and forth between those two chords. Then we got a C add 9, C add 9, G over B, A7 sus4, which maybe that's too full of a chord there, you know, it might just be that we just drop down to that A note. It's more of like a passing tone. Okay, that repeats. And now we're into the verse, and the verse goes G, B minor, C, and we got this little riff starting on the 3rd fret of the 5th string to a D chord. So it's back to a G, followed by E minor, A minor, a lot of chords in this song, and C major. Now that whole part repeats before we get to, we'll call it the bridge. And the bridge goes A minor, G, F, and then we just kind of drop that bass note to, it's kind of an F over E, but it's probably meant to have sort of the function of a C over E. But we just go like this. And then it repeats. D to the E major, and then back to the riff. Okay, let's look at a strumming pattern that'll work for the whole verse. It goes down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, and on this C chord, we've got this little riff. So we just do the down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Back to the G. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. I'm gonna speed up a little bit. A minor. On the bridge part, at the A minor, it goes down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Repeat. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And we go back to our strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, and to the E. And then we're back to the intro, which I hadn't gone over yet. It is sort of, it's a rhythmic hook, right? So big G chord, followed by a chuck, a palm mute, and a chuck with the pick. Down, up here with the, and then these are all downstrokes. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. And that's Ziggy Stardust. That's the whole song. I think I went over all the strumming patterns and all the little intricacies of it. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. If you're looking for more tutorials and would like chord charts and tabs, or to connect with me personally, please visit patreon.com/JeremyFisherMusic, and I'll see you here soon for another music lesson.